2x. Okay, now what we do is f of x is equal to what is given to you? Mod cos x. Now, if we draw the graph of cos x is positive in first quadrant, negative in second quadrant. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant. We require up to 0 to pi only. Similarly, if we take about, this is the graph of mod cos x, this is the graph of cos x. What will be the graph of mod cos x? Mod cos x graph will be like this. So this is 0, this is pi by 2, and this is equal to pi. Similarly, mod cos 2x graph. Mod cos 2x graph, obviously the same behavior it will be, but the interval will change. This will be pi by 4, this is equal to pi by 2, this is equal to 3 pi by 4, and so on. Actual cos 2x graph will be like this. This is the actual cos 2x graph. So what is happening? This is equal to pi by 4, and this is equal to pi by 2, and this is 3 pi by 4, and this is pi. So this is the graph of cos 2x. Now we analyze when we combine both. Okay, I repeat once again. Cos x is positive in first quadrant, negative in second quadrant and third quadrant, again positive in fourth quadrant. But we require from 0 to pi only. Cos 2x, 0 to pi by 4 positive, pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4 it is negative. Now if you observe this graph very carefully, this is nothing but pi by 4 sharp edge, and this is nothing but pi by 2 sharp edge, and this is nothing but 3 pi by 4 another sharp edge. So from the graphically 0 to pi, there are 3 points where function is not differentiable. But every time you can't draw the graph in examination, so we analyze it. F of x is equal to cos x plus cos 2x in the interval 0 is less than x is less than pi by 4. Both are positive. Okay, and this is again cos x minus cos 2x in the interval pi by 4 is less than equal to x is less than pi by 2. Because cos 2x is negative. Again, both will be negative. Minus cos x minus cos 2x in the interval pi by 2 is less than equal to x is less than 3 pi by 4. What we observe, function is changing its behavior at pi by 4. It is changing behavior at pi by 2. It is changing behavior at 3 pi by 4. All these 3 points we are getting sharp edge. Therefore, function is not differentiable at x is equal to pi by 4, pi by 2 and 3 pi by 4. Anyhow, they have given the open interval 0 to pi. Therefore, we can't take the endpoints. So therefore, function is not differentiable at 3 points.